Exclusive! Huling concert ng Eraserheads, kasado na! Ang detalye ng kanilang muling pagsasama-sama. Abangan!
I think everyone is more prepared now.
We will finish this concert.
Ang mga nasimulang intriga, dito tatapusin sa nag-iisang showbiz authority.
Up now.
We want to make it different. Sabi ko nga, if it's possible, make it better. Better sound, better production, better performance, lahat.
The Eraserheads reunion concert was one of the biggest and most successful musical events staged last year. Ngunit marami ang nabitin sa naturang palabas nang isugod sa pagamutan ang lead vocalist na si Ellie Buendia sa kalagitnaan ng pagtatanghal. Ito ang nagtulak sa grupo upang muling magsama-sama para sa pangalawang reunion concert.
So are you more prepared now for the second reunion concert? Especially you're looking fit and healthy already.
I think everyone is more prepared now. The producers are more prepared. The band is more prepared kasi mas may time na kami ngayon, syempre, to prepare.
The band was ready. We've always been ready since the first show. So
Ellie, ito bang concert nyo ay continuation ng concert last year or entirely new?
A little bit of both. It's a continuation dahil a lot of fans were expecting more songs from that concert, and now we're going to do the songs na hindi namin nakanta.
sana ma-satisfy namin sila para hindi sila bitin. We will finish this concert. We're planning on, as soon as we get up on stage, we're playing the 16th song. Yeah, no, I'm kidding.
Sa muling pagtugtog ng grupo, mahigitan kaya nila ang nauna nilang reunion concert?
We're not putting so many expectations on the thing. We just want to go there, play the songs well, have the crowd sing with us, and finish the set. We want to do it right.
Yung unang concert, parang binalanse namin yung katunog nung recorded na familiar yung mga tao. So, ganun pa rin siguro mangyayari ngayon. It speaks to the heart, and madaling kantahin, madaling maalala, pangmasa.
Considered as one of the most successful and revolutionary bands in the history of original Filipino music, the Eraserheads disbanded in 2002.
Wala bang possibility na mag-reunite kayo for good?
As of now, ito lang talaga yung gusto namin gawin, kaming apat. Kaya dito kami nagko-concentrate.
Malabo. Meron pa kaming mga gustong gawin na sa sarili namin.
You know, we're all busy with our current work, so that's too much production to get everybody to record pa and promote and tour, di ba? But if people still wanna catch us, you can catch our individual bands also. You can catch Sandwich, Marcos Highway, The Dawn, and Pupil at your local grocery store, record bar, bar.
Hindi man muling mabuo ang Eraserheads, may pagkakataon pa rin ang kanilang mga fans na mapanood sila ng sama-sama in what could perhaps be their last gig together.
Okay, tuloy na po. To all the E-Heads fans and non-E-Heads fans, punta kayo March 7 sa Mall of Asia grounds. Kami yan, tutugtog kami din. Sige.